Kungaloosh adventurers, and welcome to another TMR tour. I'm Stacy, and today we're going to go to the Golden Horseshoe for some dessert. The Golden Horseshoe in Disneyland is located in Frontierland. It's traditionally a counter service during the day, but later in the evening we came by for some desserts. They are famous here for their ice cream sundaes, and we got to try two of their featured ones. Before we get to that ice cream though, we actually got to see one of their shows. They perform daily between noon and about 5 o'clock, and it's a different show every hour. You can either sit upstairs or downstairs, it's your choice. Plenty of seating for all. Now let's get to that ice cream. First we tried the ChocolateChunk cookie sundae, which features 2 ChocolateChunk cookies, vanilla ice cream, chocolate and caramel swirls, and a chocolate cookie crust on the bottom. It was very rich for ice cream, but we really enjoyed it. Easily shareable amongst 2 people. You will have to fight for that single cherry though. Next we tried the Dynamite Sundae, which is exactly the same as the other. Starting from the bottom, you have that cookie crust and vanilla ice cream. The cookie pieces have been replaced by Oreos, and the sauce on top is a raspberry sauce. To top it all off, there are Pop Rocks to create that dynamite blast. Overall, we really enjoyed our experience here. If you want to see one of the shows, check for times posted outside the saloon, or head over to our channel to see the video of it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell for future notifications. Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour. Have any questions or suggestions for future videos? Leave them in the comments below.
Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified when future videos are posted.
Stay connected on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And don't forget to check out our blog on tmr-tours.com.
We'll see you on another adventure.
Kungaloosh.